everyone, Beth from Hanson's Garden Village. I'm going to show you how to put together your do-it-yourself just for kids Mother's Day planter that you can order by calling our office or order online, and then you can curbside pick up. You'll be getting a clay pot. We won't be able to give you all of the paints or anything, but you definitely can do this project at home, and hopefully you'll have stuff at home. Crayons, chalk, paint, whatever you want to do to decorate your container. We'll throw in a couple stickers and you can do that too. And then what you're going to do is your bag of soil, we're going to dump it into the container. Fill it up to about 1/2 inch from the top that's lightly filled. And then you'll get 3 plants. One is a wax begonia. This can take sun or shade. It's deer resistant. It's very easy. It doesn't need to be watered too much. And you're gonna put a hole with your finger and set it in, and we're gonna plant it at the same level of the soil that the plant is in its plug. Then you're gonna get a yellow marigold. These are sun-loving, deer resistant, easy to grow. You can break up the roots a little bit. Put your finger in to make the hole and plop it in, and also not to plant it too deep. The third plant you'll get is a nice pretty double pink petunia. These like sun as well. Break up the roots and plant that. And then if your soil level gets a little bit too low, you can always add a little bit more. And then you'll get a couple little organic fertilizer pellets. And these, they look like just little rabbit poop. You can stick them in the soil and that'll fertilize it for a couple months. You might want to think about something else if your planter gets big and it's around July. And then you just water it gently without drowning the plants, and then keep watering it every so often. Just watch for the soil consistency, how it looks, if it looks light or wet, and then you can water it when it needs it. It prefers a sunny location, and your mom's gonna love it. Thank you.
And this is her mom.